Hi, I'm Chet Kuhn with Medicare Hero, and today I'm going to show you how to find doctors that accept original Medicare in your area. There's a really useful tool designed to help people who have original Medicare find doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers in their area. I'm going to show you how to use it. So again, this tool is for people who have a Medicare Supplement Plan. And if you have a Medicare Supplement Plan, then you're going to want to note that there are no networks for Medicare Supplement Plans. So whether you have Aetna, Bluecross Blueshield, United Healthcare, Mutual of Omaha, Cigna, any company, and you can see any doctor that accepts original Medicare. There is no networks, okay? So all we have to find out is what doctors accept original Medicare, and you are good to go. You can see any doctor that accepts original Medicare. Now, on a quick side note, if you have a Medicare Advantage plan, you're going to want to use the network listings for your specific Medicare Advantage company, because those plans do require that you use a network of doctors. So the tool I'm going to show you is for Medicare Supplement policyholders. So if you go to Medicare.gov, Medicare's website, and just scroll down a little bit, you're going to see an icon, looks like a pair of binoculars, that says Find Care. If we click on that, it's going to ask you what type of care do you want to find? Hospitals, nursing homes, long-term care hospitals, inpatient rehab facilities. I'm going to select doctors and other healthcare professionals. Then it's going to take you to a page where you can enter your location and select your city. And then you can search by doctor's name, by a specialty, by a condition, anything you like. So I'm just going to try a search for internal medicine doctors. And we're going to see what we come up with. So here we go, specialties of internal medicine. So we'll click on that. And it's saying that it's showing us 1 out of 20 doctors out of a total more than 300 doctors within 15 miles of my zip code that I entered. And so there are a significant number of doctors here. It'll show you how far away they are from your zip code that you entered, their name, address, phone number, all of the pertinent information you're going to want to see. Now, with more than 300 doctors to choose from, we want a good way to whittle that down to a smaller number, that might be more likely a doctor that we are looking to see. So the first thing we can do is change the radius, or how far from our zip code that they are. So I can take it down to 5 miles. And there's still 89 internal medicine doctors within 5 miles of the zip code that I've entered. Next, you can select whether you prefer male or female doctors, and other filters as well, whether they're a solo doctor, part of a group, or both, whether they're board certified, things of that nature. But you can go down and select and view all of the doctors in your area. And you can even see them on a handy little map over here. You can click on them and see which doctors are located, in the most convenient areas for you. So this is a great tool. It's located right on Medicare.gov, and it will be a great way to find physicians in your area when you need to find a new doctor. You can look up hospitals, anything you need. You can find them right there on Medicare.gov. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.